Alright, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I'm Kevin, and today I'm underneath the cover right now because it's in the shade. It's a little dark on the video, but we're using the Blackstone griddle today. I'm making some chorizo, potato, and egg with cheese breakfast tacos, and here they are. Alright, let me show you how I make these. Come back out and do a taste test. Alright, for the potatoes, I'm telling you, if you don't have one of these potato towers, this is a French fry cutter, but I use it for dicing stuff like potatoes and onions. Really does a great job on onions. Just cut your potato roughly, you know, the same size as those squares. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. Then you take your potato tower, set your potatoes on top. Put this part on top and whack it. Look at that, perfectly diced potatoes. You don't have to hit it too hard. Hit it twice if you need to. Put less on there if you need to. All right, look at there, diced potato. All right, first thing we got to do is get a little olive oil down for our potatoes. A little salt, pepper, garlic. Alright, we're going to let these cook up a little bit. Probably take 4 or 5 minutes. About 4 or 5 minutes. And the one way you can tell if your potatoes are done yet is just look at them. If any are looking translucent still, they're probably not done. And of course, you can always just grab one and taste it. Okay, so I'm going to move these to the side a little bit. The griddle is still warm over here, so these potatoes will keep cooking. But they are done. Now you can just give one a little smash, make sure they're done. All right, now on my other channel, Man Kitchen Recipes, I showed how to make this homemade chorizo. And this is some that I made. So I am going to put that on the griddle. Get this cooked up next. I'll let this cook up 2-3 minutes. Alright, camera's getting hot. I gotta get it out of the sun. So, how do you know when your chorizo is done? Well, it usually starts crumbling apart, kind of like when you're cooking hamburger. It is sausage, so you do want to make sure you cook it long enough. You don't want it raw, obviously. But since the chorizo is already red, it's hard to tell if the pink is out of the sausage. But if it starts crumbling like that, that means it's usually cooked all the way through. All right, but I will give this about 30 seconds to a minute longer. And, you know, spread out your chorizo so that it gets good heat distribution. Okay, I'll be right back with the eggs. So now I'm going to add the eggs. You can pre-scramble your eggs if you want. I like just opening them up and putting them on the hot chorizo. All right, I'm using 6 eggs. And you want to just get them scrambled up in there. Okay, the eggs look like they're nice and cooked up. Now we're going to add the potatoes in. Mix it all together. Okay, once you get it all nice and mixed, I'm going to slide this over to the side where it's not cooking. It's warm, but it's not going to overcook it. So, that over there, you can make burritos, whatever. Today we're doing tacos. Let's get the tacos made. Get a little bit of more olive oil down for the tortillas. I am using some fajita size flour tortillas for this. Okay, I'll lay a couple down. chorizo potato and eggs. And then I'm going to add some shredded cheddar cheese. Right, these look like they're cooking up pretty fast. Get them folded over. I'm going to flip them once. Alright, they're ready. Get them on my plate. Just like that. Check these out. It is hot and sunny today. Alright, let's do a taste of these. Alright, boy, they're pretty easy to make, but today is really hot, so I had to kind of make them really quick, right? And I did toast the flour tortillas. Look how good those look. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to give these a taste. This is made with the homemade chorizo. Cheers. Mmm. I'm actually going to go inside. I'm going to put some dragon sauce on these. You can put salsa, you can eat them just like this. But give them a try. They're very delicious. Thanks for watching Tortilla Takeover. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.